Hi.
Hello everyone. Who I can see already a lot of folks hopping in. Hi everyone. Hi Quinn.
Hi. How's it going?
It's going super good. How about you?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. I tell you what, it's really interesting. So I don't know if you can see, but I've got light outside my window. And a month ago, when I was doing Today in Global Hack Week, it was completely dark outside at this time. So it's cool to see the seasons changing. Yeah.
Yep, the season is changing definitely. I was also seeing a lot of leaves falling out of the tree, making an
Yeah.
indication that it's time for a season change. But yes, welcome everyone. We saw you seeing Stephen's stream already, and we are super excited to see every one of you again. Hello. You
Hmm.
can drop in. How are you? From where are you joining? Uh, for this stream, definitely not. If you're talking about Stephen's stream, definitely yes. Uh, we are just starting. As soon as he ended, we were ready to just hop in and get everything and done.
Hmm.
Uh, Quinn, what about you? How did you follow Global Hack Week, AIML Week? Like, did you watch any streams? Were you part of any of them?
So I haven't really done much this Global Hack Week because I was at a hackathon in person over the weekend, which was very exciting. I was down at an event near London. Um, but I did do some Scribble.io earlier today, which was really good fun. So I enjoyed that. And yourself?
I was also on a short vacation. I was having this
Okay.
conversation with Emily yesterday and today in Global Hack
Mm,
Week Day 5. She was also doing a hackathon over the weekend. So,
okay.
yes, as coaches are always at the hackathons. Uh,
Mm,
but I can again see a lot of folks hopping in. Hello, everyone.
welcome, welcome.
We'll just wait for 30 seconds more for any other folks to hop in before we start for our today's day. If you want to share anything, feel free to use the chat.
Awesome stuff.
Cool. Let's start. Hi everyone.
Uh,
Welcome back to today in Global Hack Week Day 6. It's me and Quinn who will be taking you on the things that you did yesterday, the projects that you made, the sessions that you attended, and the things that you will be seeing happening today. Again, welcome to day 6 of AIML Week. A few introductions before we start. I am Vinayak Rawat. Again, I'm a coach at Major League Hacking. Some fun fact about me is that I'm currently in love with solving puzzles like Sudoku. I spend hours in solving multiple puzzles. So, yep, Quinn.
Cool. Yeah, I'm Quinn. I'm also a coach at Major League Hacking. Some fun facts: I've been to hackathons in 6 different countries, which includes counting Scotland as different from England. So depending on your opinion there. But and I love terrariums and plants. I can't seem to keep them alive, but I do love them. So those are some fun facts. All right. Cool.
How was your yesterday? You got introduced to agents in AI. Something again we did discussed in yesterday's Today in Global Hack Week that how you can use agents in AI to better optimize your application and things you learn. This was conducted by Abdullah. Again, if you're someone new in AI, agents is something which is going to help you a lot, not just in implementing in your own applications, but also with respect to learning a lot of things.
Awesome. You started analyzing satellite images with Abdullah. This is a really cool thing. I've actually been doing some geodata analysis myself over the last couple of weeks. I didn't make it along to this stream, but anyone who went has to tell me how it went for you. I want to hear all of the tips and tricks that you learned. All right.
And you also kicked off MATLAB for ML track with Alberto. Uh, Best part about it, I also said it that this is some as a sort of thing that you also learn in your colleges as well. So I hope this might have helped you. Alberto is an amazing streamer to listen to. Also, a lot of things to learn here as well. Uh, a bit tough for understand if you see the image, but I hope it was very fun time with Alberto yesterday.
Awesome. You worked on an email editor with TinyMCE, which I've heard, if I remember correctly, this is a really cool like AI pair programmer style thing. I'm rubbish at writing emails, so building an email editor, maybe I should go along and do that. Um, yeah.
You also deep dived into vision transformers. This was just the stream which was happening before this stream with Stephen. You learned about lot about vision transformers. I don't know a lot about it, but Quinn, if you want to throw in some insights, I guess you already know about how this things works.
Yeah, I did some coursework for my uni on vision transformers recently. Um, yeah, I think the trickiest thing that I've encountered is like what hardware you have access to, because if you don't have the right hardware, it can be tricky to train them. They require a lot of power, but they're good fun once you get them working. You can generate images and things yourself. It's cool.
Cool.
Awesome.
You also worked on challenges. You someone made this. This was made by Joshini Rohina. This is a digit recognizer. Yep, that's definitely a six. I can
Mhm.
also
It's
agree,
good.
and it's good
Definitely a
because
six.
I remember it very well when I was working on my college projects as well, and it was just not running. It was the most basic ML project that you can ever make during a semester. But now I realize that when you are learning new things, this is a really good project to start with.
Mm. Uh, and skipping over too quickly. Also, have been doing some challenges, including making your own AI chatbot. This is from Saketh Angirakula. This looks really cool. I'd love to know what LLM you're using here. I've heard differing opinions on which ones are best. So if people have been using LLMs, tell me what your preference is. Awesome.
Yes. You also claimed your digital swag. This was posted up by Siki Rai. I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing the name, but yep, you can also go and grab your digital swag. Make sure to share it over socials. Tag MLH, use a hashtag MLH Global Hack Week AI ML Week, so that we can feature it in our upcoming streams of today in Global Hack Week. And
Awesome. So
again, if
you
you want to claim yours, so sorry, Quinn.
No, you're fine. Yeah, I was just going to say you can grab yours here. This is mlh.link/GHW. I'll throw that in the chat actually, so you can all click on it easily. Let's see if that goes through. There we go. So you can claim your own swag there. Head along. Awesome.
Cool. Again, it's almost the last day to work on challenges, gain yourself some points, climb up that leaderboard. Go check on all the challenges that are live for today and also the weekly challenges as well. We'll be also sharing the link for this in the chat. Again, if you need it again back, you can always contact the team on Discord server, or you can take a screenshot of this and let the lens do the work of searching for the link. Also, one more thing, we haven't shared that. Make sure you have checked into the stream. We didn't mention it during the start, but again, I'm sharing the link in the chat. You can just go check in, get yourself another point.
Awesome stuff. All right. So we've got some exciting new things coming up today. So you can head along to ghw.mlh.io/schedule if you want to check that out. But we'll go through them quickly now. All right.
Yep. Uh,
So you take it
we'll
away. You take
start
it
with,
away.
yep. We'll start with Chabil. The stream will be on control and AI with ROS. Make sure you join Chabil 2 p.m. Eastern Time and 12:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. This will be the stream which will be happening after this today in Global Hack Week. You will be exploring how robotics operating system can leverage AI. This is a topic which is new for me too, so I'll definitely be spending some time. Again, folks, if the time zone doesn't fit you, you can always rewatch the streams on our YouTube and Twitch channel. You can just revisit and give a good look at it.
Awesome. All right. Jocelyn's doing the second part to building your first recommender system um, series. So head along for that. I see a lot of recommender systems, recommendation systems at hackathons. People building like movie apps and things like that to help friends work out what to watch together. So I think this is a really good one if you want to get better at building those projects and implementing some cool stuff.
Uh, Next up, it will be Abdullah coming up with satellite image segmentation using AI part 2. The part 1 is already up there. You can just go revisit, get those things in, the things which were discussed in part 1. This is scheduled to happen at 7 p.m. ET and 5:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. You will be learning how AI can analyze satellite images by segmenting different land type object in features. This is something which we talk a lot about when we are in AI/ML week. How you can use a picture to know more about it, and how you can leverage AI to get to know the best details about it. So if you're new to this, make sure you join Abdullah for the stream.
Awesome. That sounds great. So Alberto is continuing the MATLAB for ML series. I see Alberto doing MATLAB almost every Global Hack Week with something new and different, always learning new bits and pieces from Alberto. So head along for this. You can join at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, 7:30 IST. That's 7:30 a.m. IST. Uh, and like it says, learn how to leverage MATLAB and all of the cool tools and models and things that it brings. Great.
Next up, we'll again have Abdullah. This is will be the Bob Ross MS mini event. It's time to take a break away from your hacking. You're already attending a lot of technical sessions. You are completing challenges. You're spending a lot of time on screen. But again, we want you to spend some time away from those technical streams and working on challenges to join Abdullah on a mini event. Spend some time with him, have fun, interact with the coaches. Believe me, all the coaches here at Major League Hacking would love to interact with all the amazing hacker in this community. So make sure you go and be a part of this mini event. This will be scheduled to happen on Discord at 11 p.m. ET and 9:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time.
Awesome. Uh, Another mini event as well. This is No Light with Azaman. This is at 7 a.m. Eastern Time, 5:30 p.m. IST. And this is a big challenge for your front end skills. So if you're a front end wizard or if you're a front end beginner, head along to this. As it says with the lights off, it evens the playing field a bit by taking away the tools and things that you are used to. So it's a good break from hacking and challenges.
Yep, I have a very interesting story for this, because when I attended my first No Light mini event,
Mm,
I realized that how we use those already available extensions in in our code servers, so that we do not have to write the necessary code at the starting. And then
mm.
when you go for No Light, you have to remember all those things to write it. So yep, it's super fun. If you haven't played it, make sure you go and join Azima for the mini event as well. Next
Awesome.
up, we'll have our closing ceremony. Uh, we are already in day 6 for AIML week. The again, as usual, the Global Hack Week, AIML week has been super fast. Technical sessions happening, mini events happening. Today in Global Hack Week streams, interacting with you folks. So make sure you also join us for the closing ceremony that is scheduled to happen exactly 24 hours from now. And you will also be getting to know what's coming up next, the next month Global Hack Week theme as well.
Awesome. All right. If you want to help feedback on what you want to see from Global Hack Weeks, head along to this link. So that's mlh.link/GHW feedback. And you can tell us what you think, what you want to see more of. Um, and we can make sure that that comes up in the future.
Next is fill out the community census and win swag. It's basically several times a year we send out this community-wide survey to the folks who are recently part of this amazing hacker community. What we want is that we are giving an opportunity to give us a feedback of how we are doing, so that we can improve the MLH community experience for every one of you. And on top of that, most importantly, for everyone who will be entering into this raffle, providing us with an experience of how they're feeling with the MLH community, will be entitled to win a brand new MacBook and an equivalent computer of their choice. So make sure you go in, fill up your experience, give us the feedback, and get a chance to win big, and seriously really big, while working for this community census.
Awesome. All right. So now's the time where we say any questions. Feel free to throw up any thoughts, questions,
Yes.
anything on your
If
mind.
If you have any doubt you think I and Quinn can cover up, make sure to shoot them in the chat. And in case you get any questions after the stream, feel free to use the Discord server. Make sure you are a part of Discord server as well, so that
Mm.
you can post up your question there, and someone from the team will definitely catch up on that. But again, we
Awesome.
are waiting now if you have any sort of questions for us. Till the time we are waiting for questions, I really want to know why this was on the chat from 404. I was telling Quinn before the stream was starting that I really like his headset. Whenever I was used to do gaming, I was used to have that headset. So, but I hope we are in the same path, 404.
Maybe it is the headset. Uh,
Yep.
I do like it. I do like it. It's
It's a
nice.
cool gaming headset of a folk getting ready for the next game. But
Mm. It's very comfortable as well. I could wear it for hours. So when I'm typing away at my computer, building my own projects, this is what goes on. I get my tunes on. It's good. All right.
cool. I
Looks
guess
like not too many questions.
folks do
This.
not have. Yep, we do not have any more questions. Uh,
Oh,
we did get one. Do you want to take this up, Quinn?
is it okay to submit more than one challenge project? As far as I know, it is. So I don't think there's any reason why you couldn't do this. Maybe you want to double check that for me.
Yep, I'm just a bit confused with the language. Are you asking
Yeah.
to submit multiple projects for a single challenge, or you're talking about submitting for multiple challenges? See, for all the challenges which are listed up there, you can submit for every challenge which is up on the site, whether it is the daily challenge or the weekly challenge. If you are
Mhm.
asking if you can submit more than one project for a single challenge, I guess you can still do that on DevPost. You have to just add the links for so that we can access the project. So that should not be a problem.
Exactly. Exactly. But I think it's very much encouraged that if you want to do multiple different
Yes.
challenges and things, absolutely go for that. That's what we want to see. So
Uh, Thanks. Yes, you are asking about submitting to multiple challenges. Yes, go for as many as you can, but do not burn yourself out. This is something which we always say at every Global Hack Week. When you are attending streams, when you are completing challenges, make sure you are taking breaks. Make sure
Mhm.
you're getting the enough rest to get back again on the next day to complete challenges and watch streams. That's why we say be a part of mini events, spend time with other hackers as well, also with the MLHers, because you connect with them one on the Discord server.
So good. So good.
The ice train is real, but I'm having a blast. Yep, this ice train will, uh, but try to avoid too much of screen. This is something which I'll say. I just got my specs like last month or so, so do not try to spend all your time on the screen. Otherwise, this can also be not too good
Mhm.
for you. But
I
yes,
I
yes,
think
Quinn.
they say every 20 minutes, take 20
Yes,
seconds to look away from your screen. So that's a good
yeah.
rule, maybe
The,
to keep
the
an eye
20
on.
20 20 rule, 20
Mm,
minutes screen done, 20 seconds, something which is 20 feet apart. Try to see something which is 20 feet apart,
there you go.
so you'll get the break.
The pro tips right there.
Yep. Do you have to create post account to submit GitHub student developer pack status? I don't think so. If you're asking how to gain access for the GitHub student developer pack, that do not require a dev post account. If you're asking for the challenge, yep, that can be a case. Because when you are actually submitting to get the GitHub student developer pack, you just need to submit your valid college ID or something that shows that you are a part of college still or a student still, so that you can get the benefits for the GitHub student developer pack. And if there is a challenge, which I have to see, you'll have to create a dev post account to submit the challenge. Cool. I guess we are done with all the questions. Again, folks,
Hmm.
in case if you have any more questions, if you want to ask after the stream, the Discord server is always open. Uh, we are almost on the last day of Global Hack Week AIML Week. Try to make new friends, try to connect with these amazing people on the Discord server. If you have any queries, tag us, tag the team at Major League Hacking. Someone will definitely help you out. But I and Quinn will now take rest and give you folks time to take rest before the next stream happens. And we both will see you super soon.
Awesome.
Yep. Bye everyone. Take care.
Bye.